Discover the top 7 best electric skateboards. So perfect, designed for speed, performance, and versatility. Whether you're a commuter, thrill seeker, or casual rider, these boards offer advanced features like powerful motors, long-range batteries, and durable decks. Perfect for urban streets or off-road adventures, find the ultimate ride that suits your style and takes your skateboarding experience to the next level. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and let's get started. Number 7. WOWGO Pioneer X4. The WOWGO Pioneer X4 is a cutting-edge electric skateboard designed for riders who value performance, style, and reliability. Built with precision engineering, it offers a powerful dual-motor setup that delivers exceptional acceleration and a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour, making it perfect for both urban commuting and leisure rides. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, it provides a range of up to 22 miles on a single charge, ensuring extended riding without compromise. Crafted with a durable deck and flexible construction, the WOWGO Pioneer X4 delivers a smooth and stable riding experience, even on rough terrains. Its intuitive remote control allows for easy speed adjustments and braking, making it ideal for riders of all skill levels. Advanced safety features like regenerative braking and shock-absorbing wheels enhance comfort and control. Sleek, lightweight, and portable, the WOWGO Pioneer X4 blends modern technology with superior design, redefining the electric skateboarding experience. Explore the future of mobility with WOWGO. Number 6. Skateboard's Summit V3. The Skateboard's Summit V3 is a premium electric skateboard crafted for riders seeking power, versatility, and an unparalleled riding experience. Powered by dual high-performance motors, this board achieves impressive speeds of up to 30 miles per hour while maintaining smooth, controlled acceleration. Its swappable battery system provides a remarkable range of up to 25 miles, ensuring you can conquer longer rides with ease. Designed to handle diverse terrains, the Summit V3 features a sturdy yet flexible bamboo and fiberglass deck, offering exceptional durability and responsiveness. Its all-terrain wheels and advanced suspension system allow for seamless transitions between urban streets and rugged trails, making it the ultimate choice for adventurers. Equipped with an intuitive remote control, customizable ride modes, and regenerative braking, the Summit V3 guarantees safety, control, and adaptability for riders of all skill levels. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or off-roading, the Skateboard Summit V3 elevates your electric skateboarding journey to new heights. Number 5. Evolve Hadyan. The Evolve Hadyan electric skateboard sets a new benchmark for power, design, and performance, making it the ultimate choice for riders seeking a premium experience. Equipped with a robust dual-motor system, the Hadyan reaches thrilling speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, offering unmatched acceleration and torque. Its advanced 12S4P battery provides an impressive range of up to 40 miles, ensuring long, uninterrupted rides. Built with an innovative forged carbon or bamboo composite deck, the Hadyan delivers exceptional durability while maintaining a sleek, lightweight profile. Its intuitive design incorporates cutting-edge technology, including a user-friendly digital remote control and customizable ride modes, allowing riders to tailor their experience. The Hadyan excels in both urban and off-road settings, thanks to its all-terrain wheels and precision-engineered trucks that ensure stability and control. With integrated LED lighting for enhanced visibility and a focus on safety, the Evolve Hadyan is the pinnacle of electric skateboarding excellence. Number 4. Xway Atlas Pro. The Xway Atlas Pro is a high-performance electric skateboard designed for riders who demand speed, power, and versatility. Featuring a dual or quad motor configuration, it delivers an impressive top speed of up to 37 miles per hour, providing unparalleled acceleration and power. With a swappable high-capacity battery, the Atlas Pro boasts a remarkable range of up to 55 miles, making it ideal for long-distance rides and off-road adventures. Engineered with precision, the Atlas Pro is built on a robust carbon fiber deck, ensuring lightweight durability and a sleek aesthetic. Its advanced suspension system and customizable trucks deliver a smooth, stable ride on various terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. The board is equipped with an intuitive remote control, that allows riders to switch between customizable speed and braking modes effortlessly. Complete with smart features like regenerative braking, app connectivity, and modular upgrades, the Xway Atlas Pro redefines the boundaries of electric skateboarding, blending technology and performance seamlessly. Number 3. Maxfind FF Belt. The Maxfind FF Belt electric skateboard combines sleek design, powerful performance, and exceptional range to deliver an unmatched riding experience. Featuring dual belt drive motors with a combined output of 3,000 watts, the FF Belt provides smooth acceleration and a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour. Its high-capacity swappable battery offers a range of up to 25 miles, ensuring long and uninterrupted adventures. Designed with a robust and flexible deck made from a carbon fiber composite, this board offers superior durability and comfort. The FF Belt's large, shock-absorbing wheels and advanced carving system make it perfect for navigating both urban streets and challenging terrains, providing a smooth and stable ride. The intuitive remote control allows for easy adjustments to speed and braking modes, catering to riders of all skill levels. Lightweight yet powerful, the Maxfind FF Belt is the perfect blend of style, innovation, and practicality for anyone looking to elevate their electric skateboarding experience. Number 2. Pway Links. The Pway Links electric skateboard is designed for riders who value versatility, comfort, and performance. With a dual-motor setup delivering 900 watts of power, the Links achieves a top speed of up to 23 miles per hour, making it perfect for commuting and casual cruising. Its swappable high-capacity battery ensures a range of up to 20 miles, so you can explore longer without worry. Built with a sturdy 8-ply Canadian maple and fiberglass deck, the Links offers excellent flexibility and durability, providing a smooth ride even on uneven roads. The shock-absorbing 90mm wheels enhance comfort and stability, while regenerative braking ensures safety and efficiency. The Pway Links features a user-friendly remote control with multiple speed modes, allowing riders of all experience levels to enjoy a customized ride. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for city commutes or weekend adventures. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, the Pway Links delivers a reliable, high-quality electric skateboarding experience. Number 1. Backfire Zealot S2. The Backfire. Zealot S2 is a high-performance electric skateboard tailored for riders who demand speed, power, and precision. Equipped with dual 875-watt belt drive motors, the Zealot S2 offers impressive torque and a top speed of up to 30 miles per hour, making it perfect for thrill-seekers and urban commuters alike. Its high-capacity 12S2P battery delivers a range of up to 24 miles, ensuring you can go the distance with confidence. The board features a premium bamboo and fiberglass deck, providing the ideal balance of flexibility and strength for a smooth and comfortable ride. Its 96mm wheels and precision-engineered trucks offer superior stability and control, even at high speeds or on challenging terrain. Designed with convenience in mind, the Zealot S2 includes a Bluetooth remote with multiple speed and braking modes, catering to riders of all skill levels. Combining sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and outstanding performance, the Backfire Zealot S2 redefines the electric skateboarding experience. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best electric skateboards. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.